You start by opening the application. Then you put in your session credentials. Test, in our case. Then you can or start your own recording with a microphone, or upload your WAV files as is. We will choose for the WAV files. They are loaded, and you can run the analysis. Our analysis runs on FFT mode, but you can also use other modes depending on your purpose. This will take some time. The analysis has been done, and the issues can be seen on the right, containing in track 1, 2, or both of the audio files. You can select, and they will appear in the waveform on the left. This is also vice versa, meaning you can click on an issue, and it will appear in the database on the right, if you select the right format, of course. Afterwards, you can export this as an MP3, or you can export the issues containing both, for example, in a database format, or as a PDF. You can also zoom in on the position of an issue. With a slider, the QC master is able to replay this issue from this point. You can also start a new recording. The QC master can do the process over again.